What happened to you?
And what are you doing pooping on my car?
I tried to give myself superpowers.
By turning yourself into the chicken?
Guess it didn't really work out like I was hoping.
Does this mean you finally realize superpowers are a curse?
No way! This doesn't count. Wait, one sec. This doesn't count since I didn't get any powers.
I almost want to give you superpowers, just to teach you a lesson.
You can give me powers?
Of course I can, but you have to be sure this is something you really want.
That was a yes.
Okay, but before I can, there's something you need to do.
What?
Don't play dumb. You know exactly what.
I'm not doing the chicken dance for you.
Chicken dance!
No.
Chicken dance.
Nope.
Dance of the chicken! Dance of the chicken! You almost made me smile. Almost. Now, don't say we didn't warn you. As the rats in that tree on you.